First match. Jason versus Andy. Check out Andy's hat. It's a monster box.
I'm gonna wreck your head.
Let's get this underway. Ready, set, go. He threw the chair. He threw the chair. Oh my God. Is Jason alright? Are you alright? Oh crap. Oh my God. You animal!
Dude, you failed!
Oh, but Jason got up. He's up.
What is wrong with you?
He just threw that chair. Oh God! Whoa! Whoa! Cameraman getting out of the way. Oh, with the ball. Oh, with the ball. Oh, with the spit. You may know that chair from when my sister threw it at me. Oh, baby cheapo. Oh God, there's tools in there. There's power tools in there. Oh God.
Can I come in?
I'm in the shower.
Secret housekeeping. It is.
Ah!
Don't hurt me.
Oh God. Uh-oh. Oh! I think it hit the washing machine. This isn't good.
I don't think so.
Uh-oh. Oh God. I think we all know who's winning.